Girl Guides. Girl Guide is a British organisation of girls. It was founded by Baden-Powell and his sister Lady Agnes in 1910. The main objective of this movement is to make teenage girls conscious of their responsibilities. A member, a Girl Guide, is given a variety of programs that shape her character. She learns, in association with other Girl Guides, how to keep herself clean and healthy. She is instructed how to build her moral and social character. She learns basic facts about courtesy and etiquette. Furthermore, Pet Girl Guide is taught how to develop homemaking ability. She learns household skills like cooking, knitting, stitching, planning and maintenance.